The question was, what are the important decisions in asset management? And the responses covered a wide range of things, from our tactical, what maintenance do we do on our assets, to more strategic and longer term items like what investments do we make in our assets, or run, repair, replacement decisions in our asset investments. But I was a little bit surprised that I don't know if we've got a bunch of senior leaders here, but a lot of the responses were focused around the culture and the leadership and some of the softer issues, the very people-centric. How do we make our decisions? And I guess in addition to that, I lost my train of thought. We talked about what do we want to get out of our assets. So what are the service levels? What kind of customer service are we aiming to have, and is it deliberate, right? Is it visible? How do we prioritize our assets in our portfolios? And on the organizational level, what is our organizational structure that we choose, and what are the roles and responsibilities? And how do we decide who has the authority and the responsibility to be able to make decisions, right? So it was a very wide-ranging conversation, and that's what you get when you ask a very general question, open-ended question. But I thought it was very valuable, and I'd like to spend some more time drawing out some of the themes here, because there's been some very, very good and thoughtful responses. So thank you.